how this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. This time I have for you guys HK10 Ultra 3 multifunction smartwatch with many things. ChatGPT, application market, live photo. We already have original Apple Watch, but I want to try this one to see how they are. So where fit, this is application, back side of the box, nothing special, nothing fancy, made in China. So you can find this one from 40 to 45 euros or dollar in AliExpress. You can buy in Amazon as well. So let me take this off from the middle. Okay, I take this off. Send me a card. Hello is written here. And manual, you can see nothing special. Let me put here, explain you, show you a little bit manual of this one, about the watch, about the app. Other information is written. Lovely, great. In this case, put one side. There is ocean band, you can see, look quite good, the quality. After that, we have here, they sent me a tempered glass and two wiping paper, clean the display and other things. A very common basic charger, very cheap quality compared to Apple, low quality, whatever. So let's go to the watch here. You can see, take this off. Lovely, looks quite as the original. You see here this part, even you have hole as original. The button here, spark is very good, have original button. Ultra is written. Let's take this off this part. Lovely watch, you can see, look as quite as original, very high build quality. Even the screw marking you can see here, very high quality holes you can see inside, the real holes. And the antenna line, as you can see as well, look at the real Apple Watch. Display look beautiful as well. So I hit here the power button. I think this one is not this one exactly. Hello is there, welcome. It's here English. Set up the language, start pairing. You have to pair your watch with your phone or something, then you can use it. So in my next video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your HK10 Ultra with your iPhone, original iPhone or Samsung, whatever you want to connect. Okay guys, this is unboxing of HK10 Ultra. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.